Hi everybody. So happy New Year's for those celebrating New Year's. Um let's get into this New Year's cleanse. Let's cleanse out the year of the lover and welcome in the Hierophant, the High Priestess year. The year of I, the year of expansion and opportunity, abundance of every kind, opening and doing things you would never do before. This is the year of adventure and expanding in all ways that are not proportional to anything. Do whatever. Do whatever your soul calls for. So, I'm going to start off with some sage, and it's up to you to take this what resonates or to interact with it the way you like. You have a choice, and you will always have a choice. So, we have a hawk feather, a red, I can't even speak, red-tailed hawk. And I'm thinking today we're having a red New Year's. Red is the color of vitality. It's the color of the root. It's great for grounding. It's great for empowerment. It's great to show up bold and loud. And it's great for the confidence. So we're going to bring that into you. You're going to trust that you have everything in your tools and in your being to get the job done. And if you don't, we're going to send it your way. So I want to take and cleanse out anything that's affecting your energy or infecting your soul. And I'm going to wipe all this energy from your eyes. Because sometimes you're not seeing things clearly. And I just want to make sure that your eyes are open, your third eye is open. Like a friend of mine, last night I had saw some things that I did not like. And I was like, this year I'm going to change. This year I'm not going to stand by idly and let things like this happen. I'm going to make things happen. This is my go-getter year, my High Priestess year. It's the year I just surrender and say yes to my intuition. Say yes to change. Say yes to this. Say yes to life. Make love to it. I spent so much time looking for outside sources this past 2022, and it was all over the place, and I spent more time waiting for things to happen. It was disappointing. So not this year. So with this being said, I would like to take a page out of my book and help anyone that's dealing with this too. So we're going to bring in some cinnamon. It's the first of the year. Being the fact that cinnamon is great for grounding. It's great for earthifying any connection. It's great for giving back. It's great for the inflammation in our energy fields. But in certain traditions, burning cinnamon at the first of the month will bring in great chances of prosperity and abundance of any kind. So go ahead and clean that and add some cinnamon into your repertoire. I want to give up some sweetgrass to you. I want to give up to the spirits. And I just want to keep. So thank you. And I will set this aside. I'm going to bring in some selenite. I'm going to wash this over. I'm going to bring in and enhance your intuition. And I'm going to allow the spots of light to really shine through for you. I'm going to ask that Spirit sends you all the signs that you need and stop ignoring your intuition. Stop ignoring your gut feeling. Live life boldly. Do whatever it says and tap into the synchronicities of the soul. Your soul. Like, I don't know if you to hear this, but this Hierophant or this High Priestess energy, this is the bad bee energy. Stepping into it, it's Medusa. It's not like the dark feminine confidence, but it's like I'm untouchable in a good way. It's not egotistical. I've been down through a lot, so give me your worst because I'll handle it. And you'll handle it by yourself. You don't need to call in backup because you know that if you call in backup, your guides are going to handle it for you. So don't even worry. You know, and it's so funny that we chase so much things out of ourselves that we become more lost to ourselves when we do that, when we search. So let's bring this energy back in to I. Let's put I first this year. You got this. I got this. Heart of a lion, soul of a warrior, words of a poet. Brain of a genius. Bring you back to center, to oneness. Do you mean you? So I'm kind of just tickling your energy, really. Not really doing too much because the selenite's gonna stick in your energy and it's just gonna go deeper. So I just want to tickle it and kind of tease the energy a little bit. So if you feel tingles, go ahead, let me know. Atiaki maniniati ania. Words of empowerment. You live your life, so stop playing it safe. You got this. You will always have it. Peace, love, and happiness wherever you see this in any space-time continuum. I love you. Doesn't matter if I love you. Just make sure you love you. Take some time out for yourself. Wear some red. Put some sexy clothes on. Get some cologne. Get some perfume. And present yourself in a way you've never presented yourself. You deserve it. Here's to showing up for yourself day one. Love you.